right? Impacted riders. Click on the class name, impacted riders. Yeah, the object is. Yeah, it should be part of your common maybe.
I just have as a getter and setter.
Open that one. You don't have that one?
The getters and setters. That's all.
Okay. What are the data that we have? We have trail DTO, East Rider impacted. What else? Trail DTO is there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then East Rider impacted. Boolean. So the rider impacted is will set it as no, and then the impacted riders don't have to service details. So let's see if what are the details that we are using. Okay.
Okay.
In the get impacted rider method. Sorry, in that file. What are the data that we are trying to look in? In the parent method. Writing here. Yeah. Yes. Can you scroll down? Out of this line number 76, right? What are the data that we are trying to get out of that?
Mm.
So converting that to JSON, and then we are trying to get impacted riders and the impacted rider list. So we'll set it as false by default, and then you have impacted rider list, get impacted riders. So what happens if I do not set that? If, let me quickly check. Riders. Riders impacted true. If it's false, right? Okay. Let me take another thing. Data object. Impacted rider list. All right. If it's false, we don't worry about that. So that's okay. And then if it's false, it will go to here. Persist rider. And what do we do as part of the persist rider? Persist rider delegate. Okay. And the details. Okay, I think you can actually go ahead with that change.
Okay. I'll do that. Can you send me those queries that you used? I mean, I have that query, but I still I just want to.
Query, the same query. You just ping me, right?
Yeah, I need the trail IDs. I mean, I have the trail IDs and everything, but this query,
Yeah.
right?
The only I'm just sharing the screen. Not yet. Okay. So the same query that you have over there, the ng rodum and rodum, right? Yeah, that's there are two places where you will have to make the change. One is the validate ERO method. Okay. Once that is done, you need to add the check-in data get impacted thing. Okay. And here, well, we are actually we got that detail, right? Project detail DT was right. You have that over here.
Yes.
Project detail DT was from there for the end record. I believe. Not just end record. I think you can get the end record. You can check the subtype, right? Change subtype should be already populated part of that.
Okay.
So you should be able to see if it's a what is the fiber change. You can skip calling that, and instead of that, you should be able to set skip calling this line 76, right? And instead, you should be calling the you can set the data, right? Obviously, by default, I believe it's false, right?
Yeah.
If we do not set that, can you confirm that? By default, are we setting that false?
Okay. It's false. I mean, default value of boolean is false.
Usually it comes default value false. You can verify that. Okay. Just pass that and you can verify.
I just set it to false. Since I mean it's already false, so just don't call that line 76. Rest is okay.
Yes. So that will do it for you. And then that's it. So one line change over here, and then the other change. Obviously, you know, right? You need to add a check to get all the cables. Check in a sequence, right? So it's already in a sequence. So you will pass. What do you call that? ng rodum, not ng rodum. No. Can you go to that query once? Okay. Is this a query? No, there is another query, right?
There is sequence also here.
Not this one. There is another query that you pinged.
Oh, this one.
No, this is ng sequence. Sorry, the ng rodum and rodum. We don't want that functional type and all. So we need to find out the remaining elements. Yeah, we don't want that. The sequence and all, we still need that. But you need to add one more check. Element type equal to L, right? That you can add it.
Okay. Remove this and add element type equal to L.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's verify this and you will grab it. D dot element type. Sorry, I think element type, yes. D dot element type equals L.
Actually, what I'm doing is I'm taking a video of this. That's why.
Element underscore. Run. If it doesn't work, we need to check the other one. I think this is the old. We need to check for the 343 maybe. Current version 663. Is that all? No, 343 is what you need to verify. I pinged you, right? Like a thread. Yeah. 343 will have it. Okay. So you need to change a little bit more. Okay. So you need to add a few more Obviously you need to write your own query, and you need to create your own method for the validate and all. So add cable member, cable name to the select. Add it. I mean, like in the select itself, so that you don't forget it. You can actually copy it to the somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah. Prioritize cable name first, and if cable name is not changing, then you need to check the cable number. And one more thing, as I told you, if there are multiple cable names, okay, we need to verify it in a sequence for each of them. Okay, you can filter it by each of the cable name and then verify that. You can compare it with the previous version. That way, yeah, you should be able to get if it's just a fiber change. And
Okay.
if you find anything change, you can break it. You do not have to go further, right? So at least if anyone changes, that's enough.
Okay. Yeah. I will do that. I'll add this cable number and cable name to this query,
Yeah,
and I'll do that.
yeah. You can still use all these things that you have. Okay, it might help you. Or you can add just cable number and cable name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Alrighty. Yeah, that should do. Give me a good message tomorrow. Drop me in. Like it's working. Then I think we can test it tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Sriram.
Alright. Yeah.
Thanks for that.
Thanks, Sure.
Bye bye.